I love you. Thank you, Lemony Dime. Thank you. Who is your favorite SCP? My favorite SCP. My favorite SCP. My favorite SCP. Wait, let me think. There's a lot of SCPs. There's like thousands of them. And you're telling me to only choose one? I like the vending machine. Just because I like to eat, I like the vending machine. The vending machine SCP, yes. Yes. SCP Zika++. That's me. That's me. Yes. Hello? Hello? Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? Hello? Okay. What happened? Boop. Oh no! No! Okay, this is going to take a while. Just a minute, okay? Just a minute. Come on. Why does this happen? This is not good, guys. Don't worry. I see you guys. Oh no, where am I? Still not. Okay, there we go. SCPs work. Ollie is an SCP. Put that in the book. I'm an SCP now, boys.